Hey everyone, in Cibc you can set up an auto deposit. So I'll show you how you can do it very easily. First, access your account through Cibc online banking on the Cibc mobile banking app. Choose the account where you want the funds to be deposited. In online banking, click on manage my account from the drop down menu. Select void check direct deposit info. If you are in the mobile app, then tap on account info and then select view check. A preview of a void check containing your account details will appear. Select open PDF to print, save the form, then sign it and provide it to your employer to the relevant government agency to intimate direct deposit. After that, log into your account via CIBC Online Banking or the CIBC Mobile Banking app. For online banking, select Interact e-transfer from the menu, then click on Auto Deposit Settings. In the mobile app, tap on Interact e-transfer, then select Interact e-transfer settings, followed by Change Auto Deposit Setting. Then register for auto deposit. Choose a contact method or to associate with auto deposit. Select the CIBC account where incoming e-transfer should be deposited. You will receive verification email to text message from Interact. Click on complete registration within 24 hours to finalize the setup. And that's it. That's how you can set up auto deposit on CIBC.